So the camera died. I got sand under my glasses and decided, you know, I'm not going to be dealing with that the whole time that we're dropping this tank. So it's time to blow it off. We have made a very scary device in the sense that it could cause you severe pain. But don't worry, it's not bad by any means. It's just a air hosey blowy off thingy that you have to be holding on to while you plug it in, or you're gonna get beat. Man, this is how you know I'm a real mechanic. Whenever I go to grab a socket...
It's the right one?
No, it's a guess and check.
Oh. That's how you know you're a mechanic, if you can just put it on there and it works.
I've done that a few times, and I felt very proud about myself. Okay, Dero, whenever you run because there's gasoline, just avoid the camera.
Yeah, I won't trip over the camera.
Hey, out of curiosity, random side question, has nothing to do with what we're doing right now. Do airbrushes make sparks, or is it completely pneumatic?
Airbrushes?
Whatever.
Oh, pneumatic?
Yeah.
No, those don't make sparks.
Okay, it's completely pneumatic?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll unscrew this any day of the week.
All the reasons I'ma get on high, because now you're feeling what I want, my baby, yeah. I'ma keep you part of the baby. It's the least I can do, cause you get me so excited. I'm